Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, if x is equal to b plus c, y equal to c minus a, and z equal to a minus b, then x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2xz plus 2yz is. Let's see the solution. We have to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2xz plus 2yz. The above expression can be written in compact form as equal to x minus y minus z whole square. On expanding x minus y minus z whole square, we get the expression given, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2xz plus 2yz. Now substituting the value of x, y and z in the expression, we get it as b plus c minus c plus a minus a plus b whole square, or cancelling the terms, we get the expression as twice b whole square or 4b square. Therefore our answer option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is 1 upon root 9 minus root 8 minus 1 upon root 8 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus root 4 is equal to. Let's see the solution. Now on rationalizing each of the term in the above expression, we have root 9 plus root 8 upon root 9 square minus root 8 square minus root 8 plus root 7 upon root 8 square minus root 7 square plus root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 square minus root 6 square plus minus of root 6 plus root 5 upon root 6 square minus root 5 square plus root 5 plus root 4 upon root 5 square minus root 4 square. Now in the above expression, we can see that each of the denominators is 1. That is 9 minus 8 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 5 minus 4 is 1. And therefore, the above expression can be simply written as under root 9 plus under root 8 minus root 8 minus root 7 plus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 5 plus root 5 plus root 4. Cancelling the terms, we get the final answer as root 9 plus root 4 or 3 plus 2 or 5. Therefore our answer option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then the value of x square by yz plus y square by xz plus z square by xy is. Let's see the solution. Now when it is given that x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then we can write the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3 xyz. Dividing the both sides by xyz, we can write x cube plus y cube plus z cube upon xyz is equal to 3, or x square by yz plus y square by xz plus z square by xy is equal to 3. This is the required value we have to find, and therefore our answer option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 times xyz when x plus y plus z is equal to 9 and xy plus yz plus xz is equal to 11 is. Let's see the solution. We have to find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 times x yz. We can factorize the above expression as equal to x plus y plus z times x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz, or we can write the above expression as equal to x plus y plus z times x plus y plus z whole square minus 3 times xy plus yz plus xz. Now from the question we know that x plus y plus z is equal to 9 and xy plus yz plus xz is equal to 11, and therefore putting these values in the above expression we get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 xyz is equal to 9 times 9 square minus 3 into 11, or 9 times 81 minus 33, which is equal to 432. Therefore we have answer option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is find values of under root a square minus b square, under root 5ab plus c, under root of b power 4c square plus c power 4b square, and cube root of a square plus 4b square plus 4c square when a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 3. Let's see the solution. The first expression is under root a square minus b square. This is equal to under root 5 square minus 4 square, or under root 25 minus 16, which is under root 9, or 3. Now the next expression to be evaluated is under root 5ab plus c, or under root 5 times 5 into 4 plus 3, or under root 100 plus 3, which is equal to 13. Next we have to find under root of b power 4c square plus c power 4b square whole under root, which is equal to under root of 4 to the power 4 into 3 square plus 3 to the power 4 into 4 square, which is equal to under root 256 into 9 plus 81 into 16, or is equal to under root 3600, which is 60. And lastly we have to find cube root of a square plus 4b square plus 4c square, or is equal to cube root of 25 plus 4 into 16 plus 4 into 9, which is equal to cube root of 125. which is equal to 5, and therefore only option 4 matches with all the 4 values, and hence we have answer as option number 4. Also, we can see from the 4 options that the second value in all the 4 options is same. Similar is true for the last value, and hence we can solve quickly this question by only checking 2 values. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.